At 72 subscribers, I posted that we were going to do a giveaway at 100 subscribers. We just hit 110. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for viewing our footage and just supporting our channel. Staying true to my word, I reached out to a couple of my sponsors. They stepped up big time. So Henry Batt at Really Living Hammocks gave me 3 hammocks with straps to give away as a giveaway. And Steve Edwards at Dragon Mouse Gun Mounts gave me 2 mounts to give away. So we're going to be doing that real soon. Okay, so if you've subscribed to my channel, I'm going to draw 5 names out of that 110. Next week, we're going to do a drawing. So stay tuned for next week's video to reveal the winners.
Good morning, everybody out there. This is Joe Nichols, the Mountain Man, and you're watching Arky Outdoors. We just left our campsite there at OART, and we're headed up to Workman's. We're going to meet some other people from our church this morning, and we're going to take a little hike up to High Bank Twin Falls. We hiked up there yesterday just to check it out and make sure that it was flowing good, and it is. It's absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to show it to you guys. Anyway, we're up here with our church group from our like a small group, and we're just camping up here just for a couple, 3-4 days. Just kind of hanging out. I thought I'd just bring this to you and show it to you guys. We just pulled in here at High Banks canoe launch here on the Mulberry River. We're going to go across the street, walk up the road a little ways, and cut over. There's the High Bank Twin Falls. That's what we're here to see. It's only about a quarter mile in, quarter mile out. It's not that far to hike. Anyway, I just want to take you guys, show it to you. It's really beautiful. We're out here on the trail. We're at High Banks Twin Falls. We're probably about a quarter mile from the waterfall itself. We're out here with our church group. And anyway, stay tuned. We're about 15-20 minutes from it, and I'll show it to you guys. Well guys, we made it up here to High Banks Twin Falls. Absolutely beautiful waterfall. Not a very long hike, but it can be a little bit rough, but it's not bad. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that.
Okay. Walk in the water, okay?
Well, we made it back out to the highway off the main trail there, so we're going to go down to the Mulberry River, and we're all going to have a picnic lunch now and hang out and just enjoy each other's company and enjoy this beautiful sunny day we have. All right, so we're here at the High Banks parking lot. We're back almost to our vehicles now. We parked here and just walked up the road just a little ways, probably 1/8 of a mile, and then there's a parking place across from it, but there were several of us, so we parked here.
If you're just by yourself or just a couple people, that's a good place to park. And the trail's just literally straight across from it. But anyway, High Bank canoe launch, and then you just walk down the road about an eighth of a mile or so, and then off on the left side, and that's how you get to the High Bank Twin Falls.
We made it down to the famous OR Cafe gas station. Check this out. We're gonna have a picnic here with the rest of the group. I'll see you in just a minute. Well, we're here at the famous OR Cafe here in Oark, Arkansas. If you've never been here to eat their burgers or their pies, I'm telling you, you're missing out. You need to check that out.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. That was an amazing trip. We loved it up there. It was a great place to camp. We really enjoyed our time up there with our church family. That was High Bank Twin Waterfalls.